Can a $30,000 drone defeat a billion-dollar defense system? We must confront the reality of modern warfare. Japan's traditional defense mindset is becoming obsolete in the face of low cost. Mass-produced drone technology. The shade crisis has changed everything. These kamikaze drones cost as little as 5 million yen, making them disposable yet deadly. Ukraine faces nearly 5,000 of these drones every month. This overwhelming volume is designed to saturate and exhaust any defense. Using multi-million-dollar missiles to shoot them down is financially unsustainable. It is a losing game of economics. This economic attrition is the true goal, forcing the defender to spend fortunes to stop cheap, mass-produced threats. With a 2,000 kilometers range, being an island nation is no longer a shield. These drones easily cross oceans to reach their targets. In Ukraine, warfare has become startup style. Developers iterate weekly. Bypassing jamming with fiber optics and off-the-shelf components, they are creating agile interceptors for just $2,000. It's a new era where speed and adaptability beat raw size. For Japan, this is our Meiji Restoration moment. We must move past the battleship Yamato era of slow, expensive hardware. The future belongs to those who produce low-cost, AI-driven, and agile systems at massive scale. It's time to shift our mindset. Defense must become a core industrial priority. Japan must adapt to survive this technological shift. Follow TikTok at Ninja Manila and YouTube at Manila Ninja-V to D for more. The age of safe islands is over.